Right now, we're following breaking news in Hoover. Police tell us that a fire that killed a family's dog earlier this week was intentionally set. That fire on Scout Trace Lane started Wednesday afternoon. No one was home at the time, but police tell us a surveillance camera recorded a man on the back patio of that house. You're looking at video of the day of the fire. The images we have from Hoover police that we'll be able to show you on CBS 42 Facebook show a man who had his face covered. He was carrying a backpack sprayer. We're told the person was pouring some sort of liquid accelerant from a green container onto that property. Now, police ask anyone who saw anything suspicious in that area of Scout Trace or knows anything about this case to call Crime Stoppers at 254-7777.